On the night of April 14, 1912, the world's largest and most advanced ship, RMS Titanic, was on its maiden voyage. At that time, many people believed that this ship could never sink. That is why it was called the Unsinkable Ship. Titanic was approximately 269 meters long and carried more than 2,200 passengers and crew members. It was traveling from Southampton to New York City. However, at 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, in the North Atlantic Ocean, the ship collided with a massive iceberg. The impact was so severe that several sections of the ship's lower hull were damaged, allowing water to rush in rapidly. At first, many passengers did not realize the danger. Some were listening to music, some were relaxing, and others were asleep. The biggest problem was that there were not enough lifeboats on board for all the passengers. After struggling for about 2 hours and 40 minutes, Titanic broke into two pieces and sank into the depths of the ocean at 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912. Approximately 1,500 people lost their lives in the disaster, while around 700 survivors were rescued. This tragedy shocked the entire world and led to major changes in maritime safety regulations. Ships were thereafter required to carry enough lifeboats for everyone on board. Perhaps the most astonishing fact is that the wreck of Titanic was not discovered until 1985, about 73 years after the disaster, at a depth of nearly 3,800 meters beneath the ocean's surface. Even today, Titanic is remembered as one of the most famous maritime disasters in history. But if Titanic was known as the unsinkable ship, how could it sink after colliding with just a single iceberg? Let us know in the comments, which part of Titanic's story surprised you the most?